Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make your logo bigger on both desktop and mobile in Squarespace. This is incredibly useful when you want your branding to stand out differently across devices or simply need more control over how your logo appears to visitors on phones versus computers. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to your Squarespace dashboard where you can see all the websites you manage. Now, from your dashboard, simply click on the website where you want to adjust the logo size. This will take you into that specific site's editing area where you'll have access to all the customization tools you need. Look towards the upper right corner of your screen and click on Edit Site. You'll see an edit button appear, so go ahead and click that as well. This activates the live editing mode where you can make real-time changes to your site's appearance. Next, locate your header section where your logo is positioned. This is typically at the very top of your page. Click on Edit Site Header to open the header customization options. This is where all the magic happens for controlling your site's branding area. Once the header editor is open, click directly on your logo. You'll notice a pencil icon appears, indicating you can edit this element. Click on that pencil icon to access the logo settings. Here's where things get interesting. You'll now see two important options: logo height for desktop view and mobile logo max height for mobile view. These two settings work independently, giving you complete control over how large your logo appears on different devices. Let's experiment with this. First, try adjusting the logo height on the desktop view to make it noticeably bigger than the mobile view. Use the slider or input field to increase the size. Now switch to mobile view using the device preview toggle. You should see that the mobile view logo is smaller than the desktop version, exactly as you adjusted it. Now let's go back to desktop view and try the opposite. This time, edit the mobile logo max height to be bigger than the desktop view. Increase that value so it's larger than your desktop setting. Then switch again to the mobile view to see the change. You'll notice the mobile view logo is now larger than the desktop view, proving that these settings truly work independently. Of course, if you want both versions to be the same size, just make sure both the desktop logo height and mobile logo max height values match exactly. This gives you a consistent branding experience across all devices. Once you're satisfied with your logo sizes on both desktop and mobile, click Save to apply all your changes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.